Hello, one and all. My name is Rupak Saini, and I am a senior IT business analyst. Now, today I am here to discuss on what to do in the first 90 days after clearing CBAP. Now, what you do in the first few days after clearing CBAP can actually shape how much value you get from it. Because if you don't act now, it quickly becomes just another line in your resume. So, let's talk about what all you can do after clearing CBAP. Now you can make your achievement visible. Don't keep it to yourself. Update your LinkedIn headline, your resume, your internal company profile. Share a post about your journey. Now this builds credibility instantly. You can also capture your learning before it fades. Right now, everything is fresh in your mind. Take some time out to write these key concepts, frameworks, insights. Now this becomes your personal playbook that you can apply in your project situations. You can also try to identify one or two areas to apply these concepts. Now, don't try to apply everything at once. Pick one or two areas, be it stakeholder analysis, root cause analysis, value assessment, and consciously apply them in your current project. So you are basically converting your learning to impact. You can also start speaking differently in conversations. CWAP is not just about terminology, it's about structured thinking. In your meetings, ask better questions, bring clarity to vague problems, connect discussions to outcomes. Even small shifts in how you speak can signal how you have evolved. Also, try to position yourself for the next opportunity. Now that you have CBAP, start aiming higher. Look for more strategic roles, more complex initiatives, more opportunities to mentor and guide people. Because CBAP is not just a certification, it's a signal that you are ready for more. The difference between somebody who has CBAP and somebody who uses CBAP is what they do right after clearing it. So act fast, stay visible, and turn your CBAP into real career growth. All the best.